Hello guys, today different kind of video. I bought in a second-hand shop this Japanese knife that should be Nakiri knife. So now I will try to make it shine again. The value is have no value. After I will tell you the price that I bought it, and also I will show you if you want to buy in Japan on a website. It's not more about the value, but because I like the shape, so after I can use it for every day. But let's start with the restoration. That is not a restoration. To remove the rust, we need something acid, something sour, we can say, because I will use the vinegar. So now I put the knife inside the kitchen paper and I will cover with vinegar, and we need to wait 10 minutes. During this time I can speak about the value and more information about this knife that I found on internet. Okay, now we should wait at least 10 minutes. Some information. So here in Thailand I bought it for 250 baht, that in euro is 6.7, or in dollars, American dollars, $7.7. The original price, if you see on this website, is 2,200 yen. That is almost 12 euro or $14. So I pay half price, but because the value is not so high, was not so convenient. In this shop, it is a second-hand shop that in Thailand imported things from Japan. Here in Thailand, Japan stuff are very popular. There is different one, so maybe if you like this kind of video, let me know down in the comment. I can go and see if I can find something more interesting. Maybe I will bring my phone with me and check picture to try to understand if something is very spectacular or not, because many were very destroyed or damaged, so it will be complicated to fix it. This one is very light, so to use every day, and because the metal is more soft, it's very easy to sharp. My other knife that I use, who follow the channel know that I like it for the shape, the design, for everything, are very expensive. Kotai company, but material is much better. So I will use this for every day, and the other one, my spectacular knife, only for the video. I found also in the shop one that was perfect for the meat, so when I do my cold cuts, but I was not sure if I was able to sharp it enough. So let's see, maybe I can go and try to find some other knives. Let me know. Okay, see you in 10 minutes. Unfortunately, vinegar and sponge are not enough. So now I will try to remove all the pitting, all the holes made by the rust with the sandpaper. I will use first sandpaper P320 and after sandpaper P1000. Aesthetically, it's not perfect. I don't know if you can see from the camera. You still have the dot from the rust, but only with sandpaper. I cannot go so deep without destroying it already. Maybe you can see the sign. from the stone, from the sandpaper. Let's see at least if with this stone that I bought here in Thailand, my one from Kotai is in Italy. Let's see if the knife now is sharp enough. At least sharp is sharp. It's not perfect, but will be a nice knife. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you like this kind of video, let them know in the comment. If you have some advice about this kind of knife, let us know down in the comment. Bye bye.